You are a bird atop a tree. But that's not real life. No one knows it is. But in today's video, we are. Also, might call me sinister for this, but yeah, I just bird clutched. Yeah, we could fly all over this place. Today we're playing Feather Family, one of the funnest games in Roblox. I need to find my house. I built a nest somewhere. I can't remember where. I think it's this house. It's totally this house. Yeah, back here. Here's my nest. So today, guys, we will be playing as a bird in Roblox. Why am I doing this? Okay, you better not answer. Oh my gosh, wait. There's some places that, like, is weird that you can go as a bird. Whoa. Like that. Whoa. Oh. That was... Yeah, today we're going to be exploring Feather Family. If you guys do enjoy this video, leave a like. It helps me out a ton. Also subscribe. That also helps me out. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Probably not going to get there, but I want to try. What? I'm standing on Jello. What is this? What, guys, what is this? What is this, guys? Comments. Put it in the comments, guys. I will comment in the comments. What is that green thing? And reply to me with the answer. Oh my god. I am a swimming bird right now. You've never seen such thing. Oh my, wait, guys, can we go behind the waterfall? Today we're gonna find out. Wait a minute. Guys. Huh? What is this place? I should probably build my nest here. This is a very, very peaceful place. It's just behind a waterfall, which is weird. We should explore it. What is this? Yeah, you can duplicate stuff. What is this? Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna build my nest here. Okay, so we push destroy nest. Yes. I'm gonna fly over to where I want to build our nest. Oh my gosh. Wait. This kind of looks like the green things. Are they? Was that a crystal? Wait. What's on here? Whoa. Oh, I hit one of the branches. Okay, we're gonna go this way. I wanna. Oh. Gosh. We are at the beach. This is so cool. Inside the mountain is like a cave. Oh my gosh, I can just go into this deep dive and that makes me go very, very fast. Oh my gosh. Deep dive. It's very, very fun playing as a bird. Whoa. No! It's very, very hard to do stuff as a bird too. Oh, perfect place. Wait, we could go like our nest. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect place right here. Guys, building our nest right here. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. What? Okay. I'm about to bird clutch this. Wait, I landed in the water. Is that a bird clutch? Or like, okay. Well, I think we're gonna leave my house for now. And just go back through this waterfall. Wait a minute, what happens if we go straight up? Let's just go straight up. Oh wait, what if we go right here? This is looking, oh my gosh. We can go very, very high up. Oh my gosh, if we go up here, oh my gosh, imagine the view. Whoa. Okay. my gosh, guys. Have you ever seen something like this cool in your life? I am something else bird. And today, we are up here. I'm gonna go to a deep dive. Oh my gosh, this is really deep. Okay, turn back into my waterfall. I own this waterfall. I'm gonna fly up to my house. Cool. Anyways, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, I made birds swimming. Peekaboo.